Oh, hey there. Welcome to Unbelievable Education. I've been given the job to explain climate change to you today. Climate change is actually bad news for us plants. You see, we work at a very tiring and exhausting job, and climate change just makes it harder for us. For example, I'm losing a relationship with these guys called pollinators. It's getting harder for me to make my own food, and I'm getting damaged because of the environment. Now, you may be wondering, what is climate change? It's these long-term changes in temperature and weather that's causing these problems. Plants are so important for the world. They do a number of things, which is why we need to understand and protect them. They can be used in medicine to heal. They can be used as food to eat and gain energy. They can convert the air that we breathe out, carbon dioxide, into oxygen, which is air that we breathe in. And they can be used as home and shelter by other organisms. But these are just some of the things that plants can do. There's a lot more. As a plant, the effects of climate change on me are a lot. The weather changing can cause there to be too much rain or too little rain around. And I do this thing called photosynthesis, which is just how I make my food. And climate change can make it harder for this to occur as well, because I need water in order to make my food. Another part of my job is forming a relationship with animals and insects to do something called pollination. We'll learn more about this pollination process next time. But the animals and insects that do this pollination are called pollinators, and they often visit me. And these pollinator visits are so important for us plants. You see, we plants make something called pollen that these pollinators can pick up and take to new places. And they show up during a very specific time. So to signal to them that I'm ready for their visit, I make these flashy colored flowers and these very nice smelling chemicals that they get attracted to and love. But now I'm making flowers and smells, but the pollinators still won't visit me. And a reason for that could be climate change. It's causing temperatures to get warmer in some parts, and other parts of the world are getting colder, changing the environment, which is home to many insects and animals. This causes them to leave and find new places to go to that are better suited for their needs, and then they'll visit plants in those new areas rather than us. So while the pollinators have gone to a new environment that's better for them, I'm spending all this energy into making these flashy colors and these nice smells, expecting a pollinator to visit me and pick up my pollen, but nobody shows up. And all that energy goes to waste. So you see, climate change is changing the environment, causing us, the plants, to change and making things harder and harder for us. Let's learn about pollination in the next video. I'll see you there.